Okay, so let's start talking about batteries. Okay, you might have noticed that batteries have a negative side and a positive side. What's happening in a battery is a chemical reaction. It's actually using chemical energy and transferring it into electrical energy. In kind of simple terms, what occurs is when that chemical reaction happens, the negative side, called the anode, gets an excess of electrons. Those negatively charged ions are attracted to the positive charges. But in a battery, there's an electrolyte that prevents that from happening. They're separated within the battery. So in order to make the electrons, the excess of electrons, they want to get to the positive side. In order for that to happen, you need to have a circuit. Circuit sounds like the word circle, right? So we want the electrons to flow in a circle so that they can get to the other side. Okay, so this is kind of the basics of how a battery works. They're basically storing chemicals, allowing a chemical reaction to take place, turning that into electrical energy. And I'll show you what that looks like. So I've made a very simple circuit here. There is a D-cell battery, and then this is like a little flashlight light. Right now, this is called an open circuit. It's an open circuit because, this part's open right here. So electrons are flowing from the anode, the negative side, and they're flowing through the wire. This is a copper wire. Copper is a conductor of electricity. It allows electrons to flow. But what's happening is the circuit isn't closed. So in order for the light bulb to illuminate, we need to close our circuit and allow for this to go all the way through where those electrons want to be connected to the positive side of the battery. So when I do that, I close the circuit, allowing the light to illuminate. Now in your house, you close a circuit usually by using a switch of some kind. Like you switch on the lights, for example, when you want the lights to come on. So I'll show you kind of a little picture of what that looks like. Right there. It's a picture on my computer. So again, we've got the electrons traveling from the anode, the negative side of the battery, to the light. When you close the circuit, you switch it so that it's closed. It allows the electrons to flow and complete the circuit. Right now that gap is showing an opening, thus an open circuit. All right, there you go.